Today we'll be solving cubic equations. We have 5 equals the cube root of 7x plus 6. Since we're not adding, nor we're not multiplying, we don't have to deal with anything outside the radical. We've isolated the radical, so we're going to go ahead and raise it to the third power. We're going to raise this to the third power. So we have 5 to the third power, which is 5 times 5, which is 25. Times 5 is 125, equals 7x plus 6. We're going to subtract 6. So we have 119 equals 7x. Next, we'll divide by 7, which gives us x equals 17. So to check, we are going to substitute into the original equation. So we're going to check 5 equals the cube root of 7 times 17 plus 6. 5 equals to the cube root of equals 125, and we know that the cube root of 125 is 5, so that is an answer. What we're going to do now is we're going to solve equations with rational exponents. So we have 2 parentheses x plus 3 raised to the power 2/3 is equal to 8. So the first step is to divide by 2. So you have parentheses x plus 3 raised to the power 2/3 is equal to 4. Now that 2/3, what we can do is we can raise it to the 3/2. So if we raise the left side to the 3/2, we have to raise the right side to the 3/2. Now you notice 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 2 is 6, so 6 divided by 6, you're left with x plus 3. And 4, the square root of 4, since that's the root, it's going to be like this, isn't it? Square root of 4 raised to the third power. So you have x plus 3 equals the square root of 4 is 2, 2 to the third. So you have x plus 3 equals 2 to the third is 8. So x equals 5. And if you wanted to check, it's going to be 2 parentheses 5 plus 3 raised to the 2/3. So you have 2 raised to the 8th power. 2/3 equals 8. The cube root of 8 is 2. 2 squared is 4. 4 times 2 is 8, so that does check.